Hi, today let's learn 6 times table in 2 minutes. Before going to the video, please do subscribe my channel, like my channel, share, comment and don't forget to press on the bell icon. And before we were been seeing about the same trick using 3 table and 4 table. So if you want to see that videos, I have put the link in the description box. In order to start writing your 6 times table, first let's draw the W. So like this W, first we need to draw the W. After that, we need to start writing the number from top left hand side. So here, so and 6 table is a even number. 6 is a even number, so we need to start writing first the even numbers from 2. So let's write here 2, then down we will write 4, so then in the middle 6, then 8. Instead of writing 10, we will write only 0. So first we wrote the first numbers. Next, second numbers. How to write the second numbers? The same way. As I told you in the previous trick, always your first row will be, we were doing 0, 1 like that. So here first row will be, first we are going to start in the middle. So we will write 0. First row always will be 0. The same way here your first is starting from the middle. So this will be 0. Then we will start from here. So it will be 1. After 0 is 1. So 1. The same way here. The same row here also will be 1. Next. So we will go to the next row. There is your next row here. So after 1, what is the next number? 2. Then same way. After 2, what is the number? So 3. So we will write here. The same way we are going to continue for the next coming numbers. So same way, first what is the first thing we are going to do? Draw W, then start writing the even numbers from 2 to 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Then here what is the number we finished off with? 3. So the same 3 we continue here. Then after 3, what is your number? 4. 4 we are going to start from as we did for this W, the same manner. After 3, what is your next number? 4. Same 4. Then after 4, what is your number? 5. After 5, what is your number? 6. So now let's see the table. See here, 6 ones are 6. So here is your 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. So we'll start from here and we'll go here, right? So the 6 twos are is 12. 6 threes are is 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 16. It's very easy. Just first write your even numbers. Then first row will be 0. Second row will be 1. Third row will be 2. Then after that 4. Like that it continues. So here is your first row. It starts in the middle. So it becomes 0. Then second row is here. So it becomes 1. Then third row is this one. So it becomes 2. Fourth row will be here. So it becomes 3. Then fifth row, sixth row. So this is a way to write. I think so this is very easy to understand.